Okay, time to take a look at the Manusage 20 volt max cordless 2-speed drill. Oh, that's interesting. So they actually gave us a starter pack of drills. So we got some pilot point drills, and then we got some regular twist drills. And then we got some driver bits. So we got 2 flatheads, 2 Phillips, we got 3 hex drivers, 3 Torx, then we got an adapter for sockets, and we have a magnetic extension. And here's the drill itself. So this actually has nice rubber padding on the front and the back. It goes all the way up the back of the drill. Down on the top you can see our speed selector. We got our forward and reverse, our trigger, and our torque selector. That is a 3/8 chuck, and everything on here seems to spin very nicely. So here is our battery. This is a 20 volt 1.5 amp hour standard clip, and this has 4 contacts on it, and they are all labeled. On the back we have an indicator, and it actually comes fully charged, so that is nice. And here's our charger for it. Those are also labeled right there on the charger. We'll just plug the power adapter in, and it has an indicator light to let us know the status. And this charger says it is 0.75 amp at 21 volts. And we also got our manual, and it comes with a carrying pouch. So I do like to see we got those torque settings on there. That can be very important if you ever want to use that with these driver bits, or if you want to use it with something more aggressive like a hole saw. So if we had this turned all the way up to drill, and we try to use that with a hole saw, chances are when that thing grabs, it'll kick this drill around. The fact that we can turn that down means it'll just spin the clutch on this and it won't actually hurt your hand. So always nice having that clutch. Yeah, so that gets much more aggressive as you go up. And I just noticed there's a little light on the bottom, so you can see what you're doing. So first, I'm going to set it to drill. Piece of cake, and now we'll put in a Phillips driver. And I'm going to reduce this all the way to 1, just because I don't want to risk stripping out these screws. Now if that isn't enough power, then we'll kick it up. Alright. There we go. So I drove that all the way home. I ended up putting that on 4, and no strip screw head. Easy. So yeah, overall, that is a very nice tool.